Hello student, Geography first lesson, Environment. In this page, they have given a play and in that play, they have given the information about environment. Now we can start listening what is in that play. There are many children in the play. After a long vacation, the children going to school. In that a boy named Ravi has noticed that the playground near to his school was dug up, and the people near to him said that a huge building is going to be constructed in this playground. So Ravi felt very sad that he is going to miss the playground forever. And in the assembly, his principal to discuss about this destruction. In class, Ravi questioned his teachers, "Ma'am, what is environment?" And the teacher replied, that what you see in your surrounding is called environment, answered the teacher. So Ravi thought that the school building tables in the classroom are also the part of our environment. The teacher said yes. Now the play get over. Listen carefully, children. In environment, some are man-made and some are created by nature. Are you clear, children? Now a small activity for you. List out the things created by human and things created by nature. Next page. Components of environment. That is the natural, human-made and man. Now we go to see one by one. From the above conversation, you understand that the place, people, things, nature that surround any living organism is called environment. It is the combination of natural and human-made phenomena. The natural things is divided into two types, biotic and abiotic. Biotic means what? The world of living organism, example plants and animal. And abiotic, the world of non-living elements, example land. The next page, natural environment. What are our natural environment? Land, water, air, plants and animal comprise the natural environment. It has the three important layers. First one, lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Lithosphere means what? Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hot top layer of the earth. It is made up of rock and minerals and covered the thin layer of the soil also. Most of the landform, mountain, plateaus, plains, valley, etc. are formed in the lithosphere only. Landforms are found over the continents of the ocean floor also. The lithosphere is the dominant that provides forests, grassland for grazing, land for agriculture and human settlement also. And next one, important one, hydrosphere. Hydro means what? Water. Water surrounded by three sides of the earth and one side only land we are well know, because the 71% of the earth covered by water, remaining 29% only land. The atmosphere is the thin layer is surround on earth is called atmosphere. Most of the gravitational force of the earth hold the atmosphere around it. The next page. From the harmful rays in the scorching heat of the sun, it consists of number of gases, dust and water vapor that change the atmosphere, produce change in weather and climate. Because most of the atmosphere is moving, the most of the dust particle also is there. It sometimes causing to the people sneezing, coughing also. The sun rays come from the harmful rays. It filter from the sunlight, harmless radiation only reach to the human being. And another one important, the three important layer only formed which one? Biosphere. Bio means what? That is the living one. The plant and animal kingdom together make which one? biosphere of the living world. It is the narrow zone of the earth where land, water, air interact with each other to support to the life. And another one important one, ecosystem. Ecosystem means what? That is the interaction of physical and chemical factor is the transfer of energy as well as the material. The ecosystem, our book given one important picture also. Here given one pond and then some animals and then tree picture also. Most of the birds put your seeds and automatically plants will develop in the pond side as well as is utilized which one? Cow, goat like this. In this after that the domestic animal is excretes the waste. It decomposed well in the pond system. It utilized for plant and animal growth also is well developed in which one? In the pond ecosystem only. 3. All plants and animals and human being depend upon the intermediate surrounding only. Because human being and plants, animal, we are depend upon each other. That is called ecosystem. That is the physical as well as in the chemical factor also. In the relation between the living organism as well as the relation between the organism and surrounding from on ecosystem. And another one important one, human environment. Human environment, first the human being used which one? No? That is animal skin used for dress and leaves those are used for dress also. After the invention, those are making the tools and dig the soil and agriculture will develop. First those are the important for the human environment which one? No? That is the wheel. The wheel only because those are the agriculture land, those are well developed the agriculture plant that want to take and go to one places to another places. The wheel is takes an important role in the human environment. Most of the agriculture product is produced from the village side. It is take and go from one places to another place. And another important one invention in the human environment, fire. And next one, barter system. Most of the goods produced from the farmers and then blacksmith like this. Those are exchange the things. Those are without money. Those are exchange the things that is called barter system. That is called barter system. In this page also given definition. It is a trade in which goods are exchanged without the use of money. And another one important thought given here. On 5th June every year, the World Environment Day is celebrated. In some time is asked for one more question. When it celebrate World Environment Day? June 5 in every year we are celebrated the World Environmental Day. I hope that student you are understand the lesson. Thank you students.